We're back. Oh. Oh. Ow. Jeez. Oh. 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 Shit. Oh, I fucking hate this thing. I don't know how dogs do it every day. Crawling through little clubby holes. All right. Morning, chat. I'm tired. It was a rough morning. Couldn't find my glasses, so I had to rob my daughter. Hope she's not too upset. Sorry, Nevada. Yeah, today we're gonna, oh, excuse me. Timmy's coffee don't taste the same, man. Somebody said they sold their patent to McDonald's. Timmy's, get your patent back, man. I'm missing some steps. Today, we're gonna get this wall here ready. It's pretty beautiful out there today, except for like right there. There's a huge, massive rain cloud like near us. We're gonna get this wall completely ready to pour. And we're gonna get this wall, I think this wall is pretty much ready. Just needs a little straightening and a string. And once both these walls are poured, we can take the forms off tomorrow and then build this wall. And that'd be 3 walls right next to each other. Tomorrow's Thursday. We're getting closer, baby. Getting closer. Getting back to the eats. I got my own rubbers today. Feels good. I don't have to borrow anybody's boots. Size 10s that have my toes looking like Cheerios. As you can see, these guys got us caged in pretty much. So if you guys want to know about the barn, what's going to be down here is all the shit that the pigs pig, right? Like the pig shit, and the shit is gonna, so the pigs walk on these slabs. After they shit, they're gonna walk on these slabs, and as they walk, all the shit is gonna be dropped down into here. Okay, and they're gonna have pumps like pumps that go through here, all these holes that funnels all the shit water and shit that way into these big box troughs that you just seen me step in, and they're gonna collect that and spray that over the corn and the fields and stuff to grow more vegetables. So it's like a whole system. Hope you guys aren't grossed out. Don't eat breakfast before you watch this video. But I'm gonna get to work. It's your boy Live, man. Let's get it. So I'm up on top of the slabs. Guys backfilling right here. Showing you guys what it looks like. It's pretty sick. I don't know, I can see a pig's foot getting caught in these little gaps. Maybe they can figure out something though. That's the gaps is pretty much the same size as these holes. Wow. So probably gonna head over to that wall right now. Matt's gonna finish straightening that. But yeah, man, we did all of this. We got all of that to go. But we're doing pretty good. Let's get it, boys. Cleaning up this cellar. Breaking these ties. These top parts. Pretty all good. Gotta throw this corner out. At least I'm happy about the water's not too high in this part. We got a bunch of shit in my boots. Oh! Man. I don't think any water got in there, but definitely some crusties in there. Was very smart of me knowing it would float. That's pretty good. Green machine. These top tires right here. Just try to one bang these girls. I used a ladder for those. Those are too high up. I haven't one banged one yet. Gotta get at least one for you guys. Damn, almost had that one. Damn. See how I'm not missing this little small thing? Think I'm gonna miss your head? Probably not. Wouldn't go after a guy that knows how to swing one of these things. Could be bad. Could be catastrophic. Almost had that one. I don't have a leverage to one bang these. It's in the corner. Can't wait to get back to work though. Delivering food. Making money. Here we go. Ooh, I almost broke my wrist. Okay. Come on. It's 3 misses. Not gonna miss this one. I did. 4 misses. 5 misses. 6 misses. 7 misses. 8. Oh my God, this tie is elusive. All right, gents and ladies, only to the real supporters though. All the fake supporters that just click my video and then click off, don't drop a like, this is not for you, okay? Matter of fact, unsubscribe, get out of here. We don't want your views. We don't want your support. This is only for the real dogs, the old dudes, the Gears, you know what I'm saying, the Trays, the Kyries, even though he's mad annoying sometimes. It's for the Cams, the real ARC supporters that watch every video. This is for y'all, all right? I'm putting the drone up in the air for the pour today. It's gonna be some exclusive content I've never done before, but I'm gonna really enjoy it today. And I hope you guys enjoy it. While I'm pouring, I'm gonna have to keep that drone controller in my pocket and hope to God I don't get concrete all over it, but it's a little risky. We're also gonna get some footage of the process here.